Hey, well, as a coach, it is important to know your job description, mainly because we don't want you to act out of your job description, and we don't want to have you doing things that is not really in your job description. So, that being said, when applying for a job, and it is good and very important that you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. So, for for us guys, we're also Savoy Fitness. Also, underneath us is a another entity called Chop Dog CrossFit. Okay, that is in the North location, also known as the Clarksville location. All right, so you need to read this document very, very carefully so that you know what's going on. Okay, so I'll start with job summary. It comes. Are you looking for a job that will get you rich beyond your wildest dreams? Our next question is, how do you define rich? Life is not about having disposable income, being popular, highly educated, or perfect. Life's about being real, humble, and kind. These are some of the kind riches that you will get in Top Dog CrossFit, an entity within Subway Fitness. Okay? And then it tells you, and then it goes why Top Dog CrossFit. You will continue to read all the way down, and then here is your job specific related duties and responsibilities. Adhere to our program and core offerings. There's number one, A, provide coaching to assign groups for the clients for each core offering: CrossFit, bootcamp, sports performance, and personal / semi-private training. B, execute scorecard and a character building checklist. C, conduct client assessments. Number two, market and sell our programs. A, understand and execute Savoy Fitness sales process. B, assist in achieving sales metrics. C, assist in lead generation. 3, sustain 97% retention rate of current clients. A, ensure attendance is accurate for each class and tracker. B, corresponding with clients via text message after workouts. C, send in daily report to site manager. That is our specific, our general duties and responsibilities. Okay. General duties and responsibilities: A, attend company and industry-related meetings as required. B, establish individual goals at a weekly individual alignment meeting, also known as a WIM, which are aligned in the company's business strategies and objectives. C, function as a contributing member of the department's team and other teams as assigned. D, model Savoy Fitness core values and common purpose. E, perform other duties assigned by effective leadership. F, networking in the community to help educate people about fitness and our programs. G, meeting with prospective clients to discuss goals and programs. And H, appearing / speaking on camera for tutorials and other educational content, just like I am doing to help you all out right now. And then some education experience and skills that will help you to be able to do these tasks. Okay, must be able to work autonomously, willing to make a long-term investment in the Savoy Fitness mission and vision, able to work a flexible schedule based on member / classes and class needs. All right, and the list goes on. Okay, and these are some of the ideal certifications we would like for you to have. Nutrition certifications, also known as PN, or Whole 34 preferred. CrossFit Level 2, Olympic lifting certification as well. All right. You guys would need to read this job description very, very thoroughly. Ask questions if you need to ask questions to your site manager or the person you're interviewing, so that you have a clear indication of what the job is telling you, and so that we also know what you're getting yourself